Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus earbuds straight from the app. Now, if you're having issues with it connecting, or maybe you're only getting sound out of one ear and stuff like that, just doing a hard reset on the earbuds can fix a lot of problems. And this is a real easy thing to do. All you need to do is, if you have them connected to the app, is just open the app and then go to those earbuds that you need to reset. And then if you just hit the settings menu, and then straight from the settings menu, you'll see you have this reset option. So you'll just click the reset option, and then it'll ask you to confirm. You confirm it, and it will not only reset the earbuds, but it will also delete them from the app. And so then you can just redo the process all over of pairing them to the app and to the device. And that can solve, again, a lot of the connection issues, a lot of sound only coming out of one ear issues. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.